Hey everyone, so Kotlin Golf is happening right now and they have introduced Koog. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, empowering Kotlin developers to build AI agent. So we got some exciting news for the Kotlin community at this year's Kotlin Conf. We are introducing Koog, an innovative and open source agentic framework that empowers developers to build AI agents within the JVM ecosystem using a modern Kotlin DSL. We designed Koog to provide developers with the tools they need to create intelligent autonomous agents with the same ease and productivity that Kotlin brings to everyday development. It's a major milestone in making Kotlin a first-class language for AI, and we can't wait to see what the community builds with it. So why we build an agentic framework for Kotlin? At first, we were all amazed by the potential of chat assistant and LLMs, but as these models evolved, it became clear that their capabilities extend far beyond simple conversation. They are not just limited to offering advice. They can actually act on our behalf. They can handle routine tasks, make decisions and plans, and respond to feedback autonomously. This shift marked the arrival of AI agents, intelligent systems that can understand context, take initiative, and operate independently. We build Koog because we believe that Kotlin developers deserve an AI framework that's as powerful and flexible as Kotlin itself. Prior to its creation, there was no comprehensive Kotlin native agentic framework solution. Being deeply involved in agentic development inside JetBrains, our team has gained extensive knowledge in addressing real business needs. We have continuously refined our own approaches, integrating them into Kotlin framework that is intuitive, composable, powerful, and capable of providing out-of-the-box solution for all the real-world AI problems we have encountered along the way. Koog is designed to tackle a wide range of challenges, from obvious ones like fast onboarding, simplified agent creation, predefining strategies, and seamless MCP protocol support to more advanced capabilities like response streaming and efficient handling of long context and queries histories. While we have already achieved a great deal, we have even more ambitious plans for what's to come. Key features of Koog. The current version of Koog includes the following key features: pure Kotlin implementation, build and run AI agents entirely in Kotlin without external service dependencies. Modular feature system, extend agent capabilities through a composable feature system. Tool integration, create and use custom tools to give agents access to external systems and resources. Out of the box solution for popular use cases and problems. Streamings from LLMs and invoking multiple tools on a fly from one LLM request. Generating structured outputs, forcing LLMs to provide specific results, creating history compression strategies, and many more. Customizable workflows, create and use custom tools to give agents access to external system and resources. Traceability and monitoring, configurable and pluggable tracing of LLM calls, tools, agent stages, and more. Built for the community. Once we started using Koog internally for our AI agents development, we knew we had to share it with the community. We hope that writing AI technologies in Kotlin with our framework will find a special place in your hearts and repositories. Try Koog today. Koog is an open source and the public repositories on GitHub. Check out the quick start guide and start creating your own intelligent agents that are capable of handling complex workflows and engaging in context-aware conversations. We'd love for you to join us by trying Koog for yourself. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.